Not happy about this heat though, Mario.
Not happy to be talking about it, Tajara. We are looking at another day with dangerous heat. After a brief break, we're back into the heat alerts today. The excessive heat warning, that goes into place at noon, and it's in place through Friday. I am expecting this, by the way, to extend into the weekend. So this will continue. It's just only issued 48 hours in advance generally. This is for actual temperatures of 104 or higher. And this is for all of North Texas. Just take those heat precautions and take them seriously. We've been talking about the elevated fire danger the last couple of weeks, but this weekend, we're looking at an elevated fire danger for all of North Texas because of the ongoing drought. The high heat is just going to make it worse. The low humidity at times, this means that any fire that starts could spread rather quickly. This morning, our latest drought monitor was released, and it shows what we were expecting, a worsening drought. We do have extreme drought that takes up portions of Wise, Denton, Tarrant, and Parker County. We're also looking at moderate to severe drought extending into Dallas, Collin, Rockwall County to the south. The worst of it, though, in central Texas. The reason why we were expecting it is because we have not seen rain since July 16th, at least not measurable rain. 32 days so far. It's nowhere near the longest streak on record of 84 days, but it is going to likely continue at least for the next 5 to 6 days. So, by the way, in August, we have seen no measurable rain. The last time this happened was the year 2000. So it's been a while. 92 degrees right now in Fort Worth. High temperature today makes it to 109, 110 or higher for our western counties. This is because of the lower humidity. We're not dealing with much of a heat index today, and it's because of that lower humidity, but that's also what's allowing the temperature to soar to 108. And if we make it to 108, it'll be a record. 107 is the record on this day. That was set in 1951. 108, by the way, that's tied for hottest day of the year so far. 109 tomorrow. We stay in the triple digits at least through next week. And this is why that ridge of high pressure, it's going over North Texas over the next 24 hours. That's why we're expecting tomorrow to be even hotter. This weekend, it's still going to be over Oklahoma, still bringing North Texas under the influence of that ridge. We continue under that ridge at least through early parts of next week. But look at how it moves to the north. We're going to see a significant decline in rain potential across the plains. But since we're on the southern side of this, we could see some of this Gulf moisture possibly skimming our southern counties. The better opportunity, though, comes for central and in southern Texas, where we could see slightly above normal precip rates with not a whole lot of rain expected for North Texas below normal. We're looking at our tropics. We have a couple of areas of interest in the Atlantic basin, but an area of interest could develop in the Gulf, 30% chance of that. And if that happens, it's a lot of ifs here. We could see some of this moisture going into portions of southeast Texas, maybe eventually making it into our southern counties. That is why we have small rain percentages in our forecast. Only 10% coverage Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We stay in the triple digits. Y'all be careful out there.